scene I'm going to paint today is a scene that I've painted many times on location. And what I want to get across to you today is just my whole creative process from beginning to end. We're all creative people. So you don't want to be literal with the scene. You want to take your creativity and create the painting. That's what I try to do in my paintings also, is just get a feel of the light. You know, there's moisture moving through the air and it's reflecting, refracting, and it scintillates. So I like to give the movement of that.